OnTime Work Time app helps you track your work hours and tasks at a glance. Here's how to use the app. On the dashboard, when you arrive to work, you press Check In. When you go to lunch, you press Lunch In. When you come back from lunch, you press Lunch Out. When the day is finished, you simply press Check Out, and you can also add a note about the workday. You can also manage projects and billable work hours. The manager can add projects, and they can also task for the different projects. The employee can go to MyTasks and see, okay, here's my daily tasks, and select the task they want to work on, and it's automatically selected. And then they simply start working on the task. When they are finished, they press to stop the task, and they can add here the status Finished and a short note. You can also add a travel invoice. By default, it adds the current date and time. You can also check your work reports. Press Get Report. Select the date grid. And choose whether you want to see your work hour report or your billable work hours. Then press Next, and you have the listing which you can download. Easy, affordable, and accurate tracking of work hours and billable hours.